if you go to your class. I don't know where your class.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm here with Omar. I'm here with Chula Ryan. We're here with Patrick and Yesenia.
Hey!
Today we're gonna watch porn during a fucking fire shit. We have a new person. His name's Nathan. Welcome to the vlog, man. Huh? Welcome to the vlog.
Finish it?
Huh?
Finish it?
Yes. Anyway. Mr. Harp! Yeah! Mr. Harp! Yeah! Mr. Harp!
I mean, what?
Cock push up! Where's the perks? Throw it back! Throw it back! Oh.
Maybe later.
Yeah! Hey, yo, wait.
I love how the rest of the school is like, what the fuck?
What is Hey, we lost our class.
And we wonder why they don't like us.
I think we lost our class.
And we wonder why SLB doesn't mention this.
Where do we go? Oh, right here?
Yeah, where's everyone else?
I have... Oh, they're right here. Alright, guys. It's the three amigos. We got Daniel in here. Time to watch porn.
Yeah. Hey, yo, what?
Hey, yo.
Giggity. Without me?
Where's the perks?
Oh, Chula Carlos.
Hey, Chula Carlos!
It's on.
Yeah. You want to be near the fruit.
Still sourdough fruit.
We don't know where to go.
It's a scary day.
I
My balls each.
Anyone else kind of hard? That shit was on tape.
Yes.
We ain't gay though. We ain't gay.
Yeah, we ain't gay. We
It's
ain't gay.
homosexual.
Homosexual. I'm not wearing my shirt, but I have Patagonia.
I got Disney.
You got Mickey Pubes. And he got
Michael Rad.
Michael Phelps.
Wait. Sauce.
Among Us. What a beautiful day to be out with. No, the fuck it's not. What a beautiful day.
No.
To come outside and be in the fire drill. Bruh, I'm so glad they did that. I didn't want to be in Miss Nash's class.
I don't want to do no fucking math.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh.
Well, wait. What's this?
Fuck's what? My
What
nipple. Damn, my nails. Balls.
I wonder. Hey, same time?
Cocaine.
Oh, damn, I should have worn jeans today. I wanted to be comfortable.
Look, I finally put my belt. Time.
The right way.
Yeah.
The correct way.
Oh, they took it off.
Damn it.
Boo. I'm gonna pull it.
Dude, our senior prank begins now.
My senior prank starts now. I think we beat the system.
Waited out a little longer, but you know, hold out.
What a good morning to begin with. I think someone pulled it this time, and it wasn't like, yeah. So I'll update you guys ahorita.
Why is it so mushy? Oh, I don't know if we came on it. Can you do that one more time, but like the whole song? I don't know, I'm the best. Look at the lyrics. Water and pool to school. I may have soaked in the toilet.
Wait, is there no jacket just milk?
Jesse fucks kids.
I just hit my knee.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Salud.
Salud.
Salad.
Dos minas.
What? Tony be like. Dos He fucked my butthole. He made that shit swole. I'm
He's doing
screaming,
it.
oh
He's
no. Let me go. Easy, back. Let's go. Go. Go.
I can feel the bench
Go.
trembling.
Go. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on now. It's over. Come on, just say it. Come on. Bro, let me record a whole ass one take music.
Those oruguitas, two caterpillars. Fuck man, I really don't think I can do it, bro. It's too fucking hard, bro. I don't know.
Are you ready?
Wait, is this for Donna? I just do not know.
What?
What's the Those oruguitas. She fucking.
I'm talking about.
Go.
She make that shit swap. At all. Those oruguitas. She fucked my ball. She made that shit swell. I'm screaming, oh no. I'm on the floor, bro. Get out my bowl. I'm screaming and I'm yelling. I'm whining and I'm crying. I'm screaming, yeah, I'm yelling. I'm whining and I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. Ah, dos oruguitas. Nathan's a bitch, bro. Marco works out, but his dick's small. Dos oruguitas.
That's all. That's all.